Right. So there's 6 buses here. 36235, which isn't used. 37472, and then 36445, 37473, then 37116, and then 37033, which is very well. 36223 was here, but then she left. There's 2 bus spotting downtown. A class 158, look! Don't often see this. 158 798. Or is that? Yeah, 158 798. I'll do it on the way. There's a 3, folks. There's. This is easy. Not even leaving these doors, Zach. Let me do it. Oh yeah, that's warm. Also, the doors will lock. Oh yeah. I feel that. He's going to change them now. And change his lights. Exeter St David's, he changed it. Oh yeah, just got out film. Wait. Oh, he'll do it about now, won't he? Cool. Don't often get one of these. Usually there's a bit of yellow in between one of them, isn't there? Yeah. Only just about though. Didn't do it very loud, which is surprising. 158. What's it?
798.
158. Yeah, 158798. Is that correct?
Yeah.
158798.
I don't want to get the trunk.
Well, 5243 and 4 coach. Hooray! 15243 and what's the other number? Oh, it's warm. 15243 and 15244. Exmouth. We're in Exmouth. No, this is not right. Two minutes early. 2 minutes. No, that's wrong. They should wait until their time. She left 2 minutes early.
That's fine. GWR run a few minutes later.
No, she left early.
That's fine.
Oh, she's leaving. 19658. I can't believe my son was up to her on my bike. Roll's filming, look. I could do it again like this if I wanted to. 2 minutes late she is.
You do realise you've got to be careful with people.
Yeah.
It's now behind you.
Okay. Screw my plan, we're just going to have fun with her. Run with us, her. 15255. Then run along with her. Just because I can. See you later, 15255 by N65 SDU. If we were on the other side, mate. So I can record her there. We racing 15250. 3, 2, 1, go. 15250. Let's get her. Let's race her through town. Look at this, guys. We're actually going with the bus on our boat. On my boat. This is impossible. I'm cycling. I'm filming with a bus. Oh, yeah. Right, let's walk the rest of the way. And yeah, 15250. Mine 65 XDO. I can't believe I did that. Now I've got no bike. I've run with her. All up there to the road. Running with this bus! Oh. Look! No way! No way! Am I staying inside? This is impossible. Let's see if we can have a look around him or her. Are you going on, are you?
Sorry?
Are you going on this one? 47103, got the AO40XU. Yeah, as you can see. Hello, can I have a look around the bus, please?
Sorry, I'm late.
Can I at least have a bus ticket? Because I collect bus tickets, I do.
Sorry, another time.
Yeah.
Late.
I'm going to try running with you.
She's late.
Yours are slow. 4713, get back. Someone wanted to get with you. Hello! I'm off! Have I got time to talk? I haven't. I've got a bus to catch. Don't need a bus, I can run. As long as you're following it, you're fine. I'm out of breath. 47103. 36223 has had the back covered. Will be A60 HLP. Right, let's off now. It's shiny. She's actually had that on. 15255 and 15253. Nah. 15255. Why is it 5 extra? Oh, they're flocking! What? 15255 and 15253. That'd be perfect. No, they did I catch that. 15255. Why is it 5 XDU? Finally. My phone stopped being stupid. 19658. I wonder if this is the one my sister went on. Why is she on 95 today? How much is 19658? I mean 19657, sorry. How much is 1? I wonder what happened to 19657. Right, this is 15665. Yeah, she's filling in. Cool one. Haha! I can get a front and the rear picture. Instead of the photographing. Oh yeah. This is 15665. W8NGHG. Now what happens if it's fully open? Beautiful. 15665. W8NGHG. W8NGHG. 15665. Talking into a bottle I am. Sounds a bit odd. We'll think. Yeah. So that's 15665. We'll see the result in a minute. We'll see you go down that cool on the video. Yep. I'm running with the bus. 15665 WA10GHG. Also sorry, 15665 WA10GHG. Oh. I'll show you the damage now. Yeah, not very good condition, look. You can see where it's all damaged. Look how damaged that beautiful Coke bottle is. Nah, that's not very good. Ooh, seagull. That's jump scare. A seagull squawked with food in its mouth. A seagull squawked with food in its mouth. Oh my god! Whoa. That seagull's currently struggling to eat. Yes! The baby! Yay! And a dove. Just to finish the video. For a minute anyway. Finish this clip, I should say. It just flew in my head. And what's it doing? It's just flying around. Once here. Oh my. No. Oh yeah. Thinking about it. The seagull's currently crunching away a cucumber. I find it hilarious. Oh. Oh, whoa. Oh. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, perfect. He's lined up. Oh yeah. Just a sea fly sound, look. Hopefully I don't lose this bus ticket. I need it for today. So this seagull here landed in the middle of the road. Then it decided to cross over onto the grass. Why couldn't it land on the grass? Where it wanted to be. Was it looking for food? I know this area. Once the bus goes up, I'll cross over. Okay, let's get rid of it. Oh yes, it's nice. Yes, it's flying away and another one's coming. Oh my gosh, it's swoop slow. Nice! Hello seagull, just waiting for a bus. We're going to catch a bus down to Rivicum in a minute. I'll record the bus arriving and I may record the journey. Don't know yet. Anyways, I don't know what this seagull's up to. Found another one landing in the distance. Bop. Roller! Sounds like a seagull. Oh, it has just pooped in the road. Oh. Shouldn't be recording this. Ignore that bit. Oh my, unlucky timing. should not be recording cars. Ah!